Alright, so what you see before you is about an 18-pound turkey. Getting ready for some Uncle Steve's West Coast Shake. Okay, so what I have is an 18-pound bird that a friend of mine had in her freezer. She said, "Bear, I need room. Can you help me out?" So, here we go. I already got the backbone cut out. I already got the drum heating up with some maple wood. So we're just going to go ahead and season this up. Oh, there we go. So I already cut the backbone out and we're ready to go. So we're just going to lightly season this up inside. Yep, we're ready to go. That one there says 250. That's a 3-inch one and that's a 12-inch one. So center of the rack, we're 300 degrees. Outside here on the edge, we're at 250, so we're good to go. And clear smoke. I can smell that maple already. Alright, y'all, it's been about, what does it say, 3.5 hours? And I already checked it, so I know she's good. But look at that gorgeous thing. Look at that beautiful thing. Oh. 182. 175. Yeah, 161. So that'll carry over. So let's get her pulled off. All right, there she is, all rested. Ooh. If I didn't know better, I think this is what the Beach Boys were singing about when they were talking about California girls. And that, oh, look at the tan. Oh my goodness. All right, y'all, let's give this a taste test. I'm telling you what, man. You saw how good that cut? Now, I ain't a huge turkey fan. That's pretty good eating. I'm dipping a little bit of this juice here. See it's dripping? Boom. That's pretty good stuff. I like the skin. This is the turkey wing. This is my favorite part of the whole bird. Look at that. Let's see if we can get her. Pull the bone out there. Let's get a bite of the skin. You heard that? Try and do it so you can hear it. Got a good crunch to it. You get a little bit of heat from that Uncle Steve's West Coast shake. It's pretty good stuff. I don't get a lot of the citrus notes, but I do get a lot of the heat in the skin. But when you have it paired with the white meat, I mean, a little bit tastes great. Complements really well with turkey. So, all right, y'all. I couldn't get the words out because I was too busy eating. This was good bird. Turkey's not just for Thanksgiving or Christmas time. It can be, what is this, April? Week after Easter? It was a good bird. That West Coast shake, I highly recommend it on there. Got a lot of the Southwest flavors really come out in this one. And shown right there. The white meat, I'm not a big turkey fan, but the white meat was really good. The breast meat there, you saw how nice it pulled, and the wing is my favorite part. Absolute favorite part. I could eat a whole plate of those. But anyway, that's all I got, man. I hope my friend really enjoys it. I'll let you know later after she comes over and gets it what she thought of it. And man, we will catch you guys on the next one. Remember, there's 2 rules in cooking. Did you have fun? Did it taste good? Rock on. Y'all are awesome. All right, Jen. How is your turkey?
It's alright. It's really, really good. It's delicious.
It's alright.
I'm so happy.
You like the West Coast shake?
Yes, very good.
Nice. Nice.
Yum.